Alright, this will get us all caught up. This is most missed problem number 13 from our section on derivatives of e to the x and ln of x. So again, this asks us to take a derivative, so we're going to go through piece by piece. The coefficient out front stays in front, and then we take the derivative of the main function. Derivative of ln of x is 1 over x. And then we have minus 12 sine x, but the derivative of sine is cosine. So we end up with 3 times 1 over x minus 12 cosine x. Now, what we have to do is we have to find what Khan Academy is looking for. So some possible options would be 3 over x minus 12 cosine x. All right, I would anticipate that's what they're looking for. If it does not take that, it might be looking for 3 times x to the negative first minus 12 cosine x. Now, obviously in a test situation for me, I would take either of those answers. Both would be totally okay. But again, when we're working on a platform like Khan, at times we do have to kind of get a feel for what they're looking for in their answers. All right, I hope that helps. Hope to see you all soon. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm available by email anytime. Thanks. Bye.